Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to add a new debtor or patient on GoodX Mobile. Creating a debtor allows you to establish an electronic file for the individual responsible for the account. This process is essential for new patients who have never visited the practice. Once a file is open, you can begin capturing transactions. Please note that changes made in the mobile app override any update from the GoodX web app during syncing. For this tutorial video, we will start on the mobile app debtor screen. For more information on the debtor screen, please refer to the GoodX Mobile Navigation and Use user manual linked in this video's description. First, click on the New Debtor button and the Debtor Details tab will open, where you will enter all the necessary information. The Debtor Details section captures all the personal demographic information of the individual responsible for the account. Please note that to add patient details, you can click on the Patient Details tab. The required fields are identical for both debtor and the patient. For this tutorial video, we will complete the debtor details. Start by selecting the debtor's title from the drop-down menu and enter the debtor's initials. Thereafter, proceed by typing the debtor's name and the debtor's surname. Next, we will select the debtor's gender from the gender drop-down menu. You can fill in the mobile number with the country code or simply start with a 0. Click on the ID type drop-down menu and select your relevant ID type and type your ID number in the next line. Finally, provide an email address to ensure efficient communication with the practice. Once all the fields have been filled, tap Save and a notification will pop up confirming that the debtor has been successfully added.